Oh, the greatest football club in the history of South Africa, Kaizer Chiefs.
Aye.
Team enkulu madoda. Kaizer Chiefs players.
Yeah, your time start now.
Former Kaizer Chiefs players, Junior Kanye, Jabu Pule. I'm drawing a blank. Willard Katsane, Sipiwe Chabalala, Mark Bachelor, Neil Tovey, my hero, Brian Baloy, Bruno Metsi, Itumele Nkune, Emil Baron, Brilliant Kuzwayo, Robson Muchichwa, Sizo Mutaung, Tabang Lebese, Tabo Muki, who else? I'm skipping a generation. Releno Soloyane, Thomas Sweswe, Jimmy Jumbo, buy one get one free. Punch Masina Mela. There's a lot of generations I'm skipping past. Humphrey Mlwane. Wow, why am I drawing a blank? How much time?
3, 1, done.
That was very poor, actually.